This is part 2 in our discussions of the VLOOKUP function in Microsoft Excel, and in this session we are going to discuss about the possibility of putting in the value of true in the range lookup parameter of the VLOOKUP function. Now, as you can see in both of the examples in our previous video on the VLOOKUP function, we put in the value of false as the fourth parameter. Now, putting in the value of false meant that we are looking for exact matches of the first parameter here 2.15 or 1 in the second example in this table. But right now in this video we're going to discuss about what if we put up a true over here and how does it changes the overall behavior of the VLOOKUP function. Now say I'm okay with the fact that if the VLOOKUP function searches for an inexact value of what I'm typing in the first parameter over here in this table. So what if I'm okay if it searched for 1 in this table, and I knew 1 may not exist over here, but I still want the VLOOKUP to search in this table for the possible existence of 1. Now if I put in false over here, it is going to give me an error as which we have seen. But let's just try putting in true over here. Sorry. So let's just try putting in true over here, and you can see the Excel itself tells me that I'm going for an approximate match over there. Let's see a difference of change in results. You can see it gives me a value now. It gives me a value of Q in this. Now if I were to quickly go on to this table and search for where does the value of Q exist in this first column, and there it exists. So it is searching for the number of 0.7. It is right in front of the 0.75 number, and it gave me a value of Q. Now if you were to again take a second look at this formula, I searched for the existence of 1 in this table, and I wanted Excel to give me the result in the second column, and I went for an approximate match this time. So since Excel was not able to search for the value of 1 in this column, it went for an approximate match, and when I say approximate match, it went for the match of the value which is equal to or less than 1. And when I say less than 1, it is the value which is nearest to 1 in this whole table. So the possible contenders for being selected by the VLOOKUP function for this example was that anything that less than 1 could be a possible contender for this. So it could be 0.5 or 0.75. But since 0.75 is closer to 1 as compared to 0.5, so 0.75 got picked up, and the value corresponding to it in the second column was returned to us in this example. So this is the difference between the VLOOKUP function when we use true or false as its third argument. And thank you for watching.